So I have some beautiful prime New York strip and prime ribeye. I've got to grab one more plate. I have that one. And then I have the big kahuna. A beautiful prime ribeye. Big, beautiful cut. Look at that. Look at that. So, number one, I have my own oil blend that I'm gonna put on here. And my own salt blend. So, number one, we're gonna put on our oil blend. We're gonna go all over. Top, sides. Got a real beautiful glazed and oil all over, on the fat, on the edge. Oh yeah, baby. That's even there. Okay. Okay. The edge, beautiful. The other side, the cracks, all that infused oil. Oh, baby. And we're gonna dry brine this for 24 hours-ish. Maybe a little bit less. I can't wait that long. But typically 24 hours max. Okay, so now I have my oil on. Look at the edges. Then I've got my very own salt blend. Look at that. Beautiful. We're gonna seal that up real good. So the ribeye will be the one getting that glaze. I'm not gonna do New York strip. That one's for me. So only that ribeye will get this glaze, and you cannot get what I'm making anywhere around here on a menu. So we're gonna grab our salt blend here, get it on the edges, turn it, turn them. Okay. Seals them all at once. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. A little bit more on the edge. Then flip them over and we'll do the other side. Oh, look at that.